Hi, my name's Byron Martin here at Logee's Greenhouses, and today we're going to be talking about one of our citrus trees here at Logee's that has been in the greenhouse since the 1960s and contains 8 different varieties of citrus that we've grafted onto this tree over the years. Over a period of a decade or so, I kept adding branches onto it of different types of citrus, and right now we have 8 different varieties on this tree. So we have Washington Navel, we have Robertson Navel, we have a grapefruit, which is ruby red, that's your pink fruited grapefruit. We have a temple orange, which is a hybrid of the tangerine. We have a blood orange, which actually is a really great variety to grow, mainly because it fruits every year rather than every other year, and it holds on the tree very long with its sweet flesh. We have Valencia, which is probably 80% of the world's oranges. That's actually a very late variety. You pick that in April, whereas right now most of the fruit is ripened here in January. And we have a Fairchild tangerine and a Dancy tangerine. And right now, as I mentioned, most of the fruit is ripening, and this is the on-year cycle for this tree. And if you look up in the top here, it's just filled with fruit of all kinds. A lot of grapefruit up there and quite a few tangerines. This cycle will go to a much reduced amount of production next year, and then we follow through with another heavy cycle. So one thing about a blood orange is that they have that purple flesh, as we know, but it really is induced by the temperature that the fruit grows in. In this greenhouse, we run at about 45 degrees. We don't let it go any lower than that, and that is a little bit warm for getting good color in a blood orange. They are very sweet, and they hold that water or that juice in them for a very long time. I mean, there'll be blood orange on this tree by the time we get to summer still, those that are out of reach of the hands of people walking by. As I mentioned, in this warm greenhouse, we really don't get very much purple color to it. It would take temperatures down in the 30s for on and off throughout its ripening cycle to get the real purple in it. And sometimes you can see just a little bit of purple in the ends here, and I don't even see that. So the truth of the matter is we had a very warm season for these, and it wasn't actually cold enough to bring the purple into them. But they are delicious and quite free of seeds also in terms of their table fruit quality. Well, thank you for watching today. There's a little bit of information on our multiple variety citrus tree that we've had in the greenhouses for many years. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you need more information, visit us at logees.com.